Call me high maintenance, but I think it's time to retire this guy. What's up guys, this is Brent with 247parts.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how quick and easy it is to replace the seat on your John Deere riding lawnmower. Now keep in mind that not all seats are going to be changed out exactly the way this one is, but they will be very similar, so definitely check this out if you need to have your seat replaced. But guys, before we get started here, if this video happens to help you or you like this video, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. Now, fortunately, to replace this seat, it is a very simple process. So we're just going to flip this up onto the bottom side. First thing we're going to do is remove our seat switch. Now, if this happens to be bad or you feel like you need a new one to go into your new seat, it is very easy to change out. You just simply have to twist and pull this out, set that aside. Now, if you wanted to change this switch completely out, you would just pull out on the switch here, simply put a new one in, and then you're ready to go into your new seat. Now, as far as removing the seat actually from the base, all we have here is a simple spring clip here on the end of this rod that all we will need is a pair of pliers to take that loose from the back side, pull off that clip there, make sure to set that in a spot that you won't lose it. Then we just need to work this long pin out here, just like that, and your old seat is removed. Then we'll grab our brand new seat here and just follow those same instructions in reverse order. So we will simply sit this on, get these holes lined up, start our pin going through. All right, and then once we've got that all the way through, we will grab our pin, our clip here, set that right on, and we're going to use our pliers here to pinch down on that clip. All right, you just want to make sure that is fully seated, and then we will take our safety switch here, go back into the seat, turn it into place, and that's all there is to it. So guys, I hope this video helped you out, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, as that helps me out as well. And then also guys, if you feel like I left anything out or you have any other questions or comments, make sure to leave those down in the comments section below so I can be sure to get back with you. And then also guys, while you're down there, make sure you scroll up just a little bit into that description tab. Make sure to go check out that link to 247parts.com, where you can go to get all of your John Deere riding lawnmower seats or any other parts that you need for your mowers, gators, tractors, compact construction equipment, whatever those things may be. Make sure to check it out at 247parts.com. Now, one last thing. Also, if you'd like to see more videos about just the overall equipment itself, the John Deere equipment, make sure to check out our other channel, Western Equipment. And guys, as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.